This is soil analysis presented by Bhavashya, Hansika, Tanmay, Mayuki, Samanvay, and Kalpita. The aim of our analysis is to conduct soil tests, collect data, and run multiple tests on it. The location is the front lawn of the Jindal School of Arts and Architecture, part of the Jindal Global University, located in Sonipat, Haryana, India.
So our area happens to be just a few centimeters away from the gate of JSA, and it does happen to have a lot of moisture in it because plants are growing here. And apart from there, we have sprinkler, which increases the moisture in the soil.
We start off with the process with removing the top layer of the soil, the organic layer. 2 to 3 centimeters of the organic layer is removed using a shovel. We are provided with a soil sampling kit. We clean the rods using cloth to avoid soil particles from mixing into the new samples that we collect. We placed the auger at a selected point exactly 90 degrees to the land and rotated it. The auger cut itself through the soil. The soil is removed at regular intervals until we reach the required depth. The first sample collection at 13 inches depth.
ग्रेन्स है वो उसके थ्रेड्स में फंस जाएगा एंड देन फिर खुलेगा ना, वो स्टक हो जाएगा
ओके ओके
थ्रेड्स में। उसका जो रीजन क्या है इसका क्लेचर डालने का, रीजन क्या है क्लेचर?
We clean the instruments again.
No, your hand on us. Which way?
नहीं होगा, खुलेगा।
The soil push probe is attached.
Yeah.
We marked it with a tape. The part of the tool is pulled to its very end and dropped to push the instrument into the soil.
छोड़ दो छोड़ दो। सिक्स इंचेस अभी अचीव नहीं हुआ है, ये देखना।
One. Yeah. Okay. నేను చేయాలా?
We press the soil into a small ball and shake it.
Then
It
plate
could
बना
not
के
retain water.
Tapping. The tapping thing. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh wow.
Collected sample.
वो लेके आओ फर्स्ट इसको।
The whole process is repeated to collect sample at 3 feet depth.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి తిప్పాలి. No need to hold? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the third time.
Yeah.
So normally it should be one.
దీంట్లో సెకండ్ హాఫ్ దాంట్లో
అవునా?
అయిపోతుంది.
28 inches. Okay.
ఎవరిదాని ఫోన్
During the second sample collection, we were obstructed by a rock in our path. The sample collected was less but good enough for tests.
Huh? Inside part. Show the inside
It's
part.
nothing.
Yep.
It was not successful. But we didn't get any soil. Can we use Just as a
उस पे
down.
सैंपल पे अपना डाल दिया फर्स्ट
हाँ
पे
सर.
सेकंड
1 inch.
ఆ టైప్ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి అదే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అది అంత లోపల నుంచి మనం ఇదే కొట్టుకొని చచ్చాము అంటే నాకు అర్థం కాదు
The process repeats. We dug more deeper to 6 feet.
Okay. There is some other type.
So can we try the other side? Okay. Maybe it's anti-clockwise if we look from here.
Sir, usually soil को कहाँ से?
ऑलरेडी बहुत ऊंचे पर होते हैं जैसे ये हो गया आप प्लास्टर किया जाता है ये बहुत कॉस्टली होता है ये फिलिंग रिवर सैंड
हाँ तो
The bulb was
that was the
that's the mistake.
स्टेट
23, 24.
48, 49.
okay.
దీని మీద జూమ్ అయ్యి కొంచెంసేపు
The samples are collected again.
ఓకే
We fill the hole with the soil we dug to prevent reptiles and insects getting into it. The equipment is packed and placed back in the lab.
of the thing, huh?
The first lab analysis started by taking the weight of the wet soil sample to calculate its moisture content. We labeled the samples and repeated the process for all the 3 samples we collected. Under the guidance of Ankur sir, we dried the samples using oven drying method. We then calculate the weight of the dry soil sample after it was heated, and we put the soil sample through multiple sieves and we put it in a sieve shaker to separate it. With the soil now separated, Ankur sir explained us how each soil found in each sieve differs in mm. We weighed it as different heaps.
हम तो जाना एक पैटर्न में पार्टी का पैटर्न दिख रहा है ना एक। अब खड़े होकर कर लो थोड़ा एफर्ट।
Yes.
Before this, we mixed all the samples together.
प्योर क्ले है। तो इसके बाद
The soil sample varied from 10 mm of coarse aggregate to 75
उसमें
microns
मतलब ये
of soft
कोई भी
smooth
लोड
sand.
कैसा लगा 420 के लिए टेक 425 माइक्रोन सी अब जो पास हो गया वो सैंपल हो गया हो गया। अब घर में
Soil sample is put into sieves and it is shaped manually to separate the coarse aggregate with the soft soil. Only 150 grams of the whole soil sample is taken and mixed with controlled amounts of water to make a mixture which is not too dry and not too liquidy.
ऐसे कर लो कोई नहीं।
No.
तो इसका भी आपको मॉइस्चर कंटेंट निकालना पड़ेगा ये रैंडम ही तो बॉटम
Mixture is put in a liquid limit machine to conduct the Attenberg limit test, and it is cut using a grooving tool.
1 2 3 4 5 6 mix
Perfect.
कॉम्पैक्ट भी नहीं करना है
लोपड़ चाहिए
We repeat the process for a couple of times and we see cracks in the sample.
ठीक है
ओके
पहली बार कर लो। उस पे देखते हैं सब बताता हूँ जब 25 किलो के जो आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग
Architect might be a bit.
ये
Now in go bed. Yeah.
ओके
2 3 4 5 क्रैक्स आ गए बेकार है मत डालो वीडियो भी मत डालो
ओके ओके
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
15.6 ठीक है 4 ठीक है और फिर 24